Dear students, I take one more problem to explain how to find the root of the given equation by using Newton-Raphson method. So in this problem, problem is x square minus log x minus 12 is equal to 0. Carry out 3 iteration. Carry out 3 iteration means we have to find x1, x2 and also x3. So first we have to find approximate root, that is x0. Consider the given function f of x is equal to x square minus log x minus 12. Okay, now by using inspection method, first we have to find the one root. So by using inspection method, now take x start from 1 because x is equal to 0, we get log 0 value infinity. So take x is equal to 1. F of 1 value 1 minus log 1 value 0 minus 12. So here which is equal to minus 11. Now take x is equal to 2, then f of 2 which is equal to 2 to the 4 minus log 2 minus 12 which is equal to, now here log 2 is there, base e is there, log it understood was base e. So in your calculation use LAN button, don't use log button. Suppose if log base 10 is there, then only use log button. Okay, here understood whose base is e, so in your calculation use LAN button. So simplify, here we get f of 2 value minus 8.6931. Okay, now take x is equal to 3. Then f of 3 value 3 3s are 9 minus log 3 minus 12. Simplify, here we get minus 4.0986. Okay, take x is equal to 4, then f of 4 value 4 4s are 16 minus log 4 minus 12 which is equal to 2.6137. now here we get one negative and also one positive. It means the root lies between this two value, means root lies between 3 and 4. So comparing 2.61 and minus 4.0, 2.61 is the nearest to 0. So then corresponding x value considers the x0 value, that is x0 value 4. Okay, then find f dash of x value. Consider the given function f of x is equal to x square minus log x minus 12. Now differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of f of x is f dash of x. Derivative of x square value 2x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of 12 value 0. Therefore f dash of x which is equal to 2x minus 1 by x. Okay, now take x0 is equal to x1 consider is equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. Take x0 is equal to 4, that is 4 minus f of 4 divided by f dash of 4. x1 is equal to 4 minus f of 4 value 4 4s are 16, f of x value x square minus log x minus 12 minus log 4 minus 12 divided by f dash of 4. F dash of 4 value 2 into 4 minus 1 by 4. Simplify, here we get x1 value 3.6627. Then go to second iterative value, x2 value x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1, that is x2 is equal to x1 value 3.6627 minus f of 3.6627 divided by f dash of 3.6627. then x2 value x2 is equal to 3.6627 minus f of 3.6627, means here f of x value x square minus log x minus 12 and f dash of x value 2x minus 1 by x, that is x2 value 3.6627 minus f of 3.6627 means 3.6627 whole square minus log half 3.6627 minus 12 divided by f dash of value 2.36627 minus 1 by 3.6627. So simplify, here we get x2 value 3.6460. Okay, next we go to third iteration value. Third iterative value x3 can written as x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2, that is x3 is equal to 3.6460 minus f of 3.6460 divided by f dash of 3.6460. Then x3 is equal to 3.6460, f of 3.6460 means substitute, that is 3.6460 whole square minus log half 3.6460 minus 12 divided by f dash. F dash means 2x minus 1 by x, that is 2 into 3.6460 minus 1 by 3.6460. So simplify, here we get x3 value 0.6460. So see, compare x1 and x2 and also x3, almost nearest to same now. So 0.6460 is the root of the given equation. Now take another example. Here in this problem, the problem is x log x base 10 is equal to 1.2 is there, nearest to 2.5, correct to 4 decimal place. Okay, so your x naught value is given, your x naught value 2.5. Okay, now f of x value, here x into log x base 10 minus 1.2. Okay, here x log x base 10 minus 1.2, but here we know that derivative of log x base e value 1 by x, but here base 10 is there, we have to convert it into log x base 10, log x base e. Therefore here we use the 1 log x base 10 can written as 1 by log 10 base e into log x base e. Okay, so 1 by log 10 base e value 0.4342 into log x. Okay, so the log x base 10 converted into log x base e by using logarithmic property. The log x base 10 can written as 1 by log 10 base e into log x base e, but 1 by log 10 base e value 0.4342 into log x. So f of x, which is equal to x into log x base 10 can written as 1.4342 into log x minus 1.2. So here in this here 0.4342 is the common factor. Now x into log x is there, x into log x minus 1.2. Now differentiate. Derivative of f of x is f dash of x 0.4342 into x into derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x into derivative of x is 1 minus 1.2 value 0. X become cancel, then f dash of x value 0.4342 into 1 plus log x. Okay, then now we go to Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method state that x1 is equal to x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Then x1 is equal to x naught value 2.5 minus f of 2.5 divided by f dash of 2.5. Okay, so here which is equal to x1 is equal to 2.5, f of 2.5 means here f of x value, either you take this equation or this equation. Suppose we use in this equation, then we use ln button. Here we suppose you take this equation, then we use log button. Okay, then so here which is equal to 2.5 into log base 10 into 2.5 minus 1.2 divided by f dash of 2.5 means here this is the f dash of x value 0.4342 into 1 plus log of 2.5. So here, which is equal to, simplify, here we get x1 value 2.7465. Okay, then we go to second iterative value. Second iterative value, here f of x value x log x base 10 minus 1.2, f dash of x value 0.4342 into 1 plus log x. Okay, then x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1, that is x2 value equal to x1 value 2.7465 2.7465 minus f of 2.7465 divided by f dash of 2.7465. Then x2 value 2.7465, f of 2.7465 means take the substitute value 2.7465 into log base 10 2.6465 minus 1.2 divided by f dash of x 0.4342 into 1 plus log of 2.7465. Simplify, here we get x2 value 2.7406. Your condition is equating to correct to 4 decimal place, means difference is 0.040 something. Okay, so that was we go to third iterative value. Third iterative value x3 can written as x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. Substitute x2 value, that is 2.7406 minus f of 2.7406 divided by f dash of 2.7406, that is x3 value 2.7406. f of 2.7406 means substitute this value, that is 2.7406 into log of base 10 into 2.7406 minus 1.2 divided by 0.4342 into 1 plus log of 2.7406. Simplify, here we get x3 value 2.7406. Okay, so here comparing these three value, they're almost same. So then we consider 2.7406 is the root of the 2.7406 the root of the given equation. So like that we have to find the root of the given equation by using Newton-Raphson method. If you have any doubt or any clarification of this topic, please contact me. Okay, thank you.